In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paperpal in Microsoft Word for academic writing and citations. If you regularly write essays, research papers, theses, or other academic documents in Microsoft Word, Paperpal can help you improve your writing and manage citations directly inside your document. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to use Paperpal. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and look for the option to get add-ins. Search for Paperpal, then select it and follow the prompts to add it to Word. Once Paperpal has been added, go back to your Word document and open Paperpal. This will display the Paperpal panel inside your document, giving you access to its academic writing tools. Now you can start working on your academic content. One useful feature is the Writing Assistance tool. As you work on your document, Paperpal can provide suggestions to improve grammar, wording, clarity, and academic language. When a suggestion appears, review it carefully before applying it. You do not have to accept every suggestion. Choose the changes that make sense for your document and help communicate your ideas more clearly. Paperpal can also help you organize and develop your academic writing. You can use its writing tools to improve existing content and make your ideas clearer and more suitable for an academic audience. Next, let's look at research and citations. Open the Research and Cite feature in Paperpal. This allows you to search for relevant research and supporting sources while working on your document. When you find a source that supports your content, you can use it as a citation in your document. Paperpal can also help format citations according to different citation styles, which is useful when your school, university, or journal requires a specific format. After adding citations, Paperpal can help manage the references in your document. Its citation tools can insert references and help keep your reference list organized. You can also change the citation style when necessary. This is useful if you need to switch between common academic formats depending on the requirements of your assignment or publication. Before you finish your document, carefully review all of your citations and references. Make sure the sources are relevant, the information is accurate, and the citation style matches the requirements of your academic work. And that's how you can use Paperpal in Microsoft Word to improve your academic writing and manage citations more easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,